Hey, what's going on, YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm so excited. I'm about to plant my garlic. And garlic is normally planted in the fall, and it's going to overwinter it. And so during that process, it's going to be growing roots. And when it gets ready to go into the springtime, that's going to help get us big garlic just like this. All right, and this is a soft neck garlic, but I'll talk to you a little more about that. I want to go ahead and get into the video, the planting, so you can see what I got going, because it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go. All right, so what I have decided to do, this is my raised bed, and you see I already have a lot of things planted, but I've already put my cloves in a straight line going all the way down, and I also have them going across. So I'm doing the square foot garden method, and I'm gonna use this as my border. All right, so when they come up in the spring and fall, I'm going to be planting my spring plants and crops in the boxes. Like I said, this is the border, because guess what? I'm gonna use this as pest control. All right, and this is gonna be a way to get these pests off my spring and summer crops by planting garlic. So they're gonna get that big smell, that garlicky smell that we love so much that they don't, and that's going to get those pests away. So you may want to try to use your planting garlic as a pest repellent. All right, so that's why I'm so excited. So let's get back to the raised bed. All right, so what you're gonna do, I'm gonna try to keep the camera steady. All you gotta do is just plant this, push it down anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, and you wanna make sure that it's 2 inches away from your box, your garden box. All right, so all I'm doing is pushing it down, making that border. Hope you can see that. There you go. And this is nice and loose soil, so it makes it real easy to push down. All right, so let me finish the rest of that border. Just like that, nice and easy. So these pests are not gonna know what's gonna hit them. I don't wanna mess up my romaine. Look at that, look nice, real nice. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest going on to the side, and then I'll let you see what we're gonna do next. All right, look at that. All the garlic cloves have been pushed down. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I already know I got my little marker where I planted my my garlic. All I'm gonna do now is take these wood chips, and if you have been watching my videos, you know I got a wood chip drop. So that's where these wood chips are coming from. So I am going to mulch the garlic. So mulching the garlic is going to help with the cold temperatures. It's going to retain moisture, and it also regulates the dryness with the garlic. All right, so, and I'm trying to decide if I'm going to keep the border, or will I just fill in the whole thing? I've done that in the past. All right, so the next thing after you plant your garlic, all you have to do is, let me get my watering can. Get the watering can and go ahead and water it pretty good. So I'm getting it real good, and that's all I have to do. So after I do that, I can walk away until the springtime. And a couple things that I've done, I have dropped fertilizer down. Now it's gonna take some time for it to break down, so I want to go ahead and get it ready, so when it's time for them to push through in the spring, then they're gonna have what they need. All right, now that's not it, because I did say that this is growing backyard garlic, I'm gonna take you to the backyard, but my raised beds were not ready because I got a lot of things packed in that I need to handle. But that's what I'm gonna do to the backyard. But let's say, for example, if you don't have a backyard, if you don't have a front yard, if you live in an apartment, I got you. All right, so what I've done, yes, you can grow garlic in a container. So there are no excuses. You can grow your garlic at home, just like the rest of us. All right, so all you need is a 6-inch pot for the depth, and you can plant your garlic. So I already have drainage holes down here. Yep, I got it from the dollar store. It was $3, but it's still pretty inexpensive. All right, so what you're gonna do when you take your clove, and you got to make sure that you plant it the right way. All right, the point is real easy to tell. The pointy tip, that is the top part. The biggest end, the thickest end, that is the bottom. You have to push it down because the roots are going to come out of the bottom. You don't want to put it inverted because you're going to have some trouble. I doubt it's going to be able to rotate, but let's just do it the right way. So the smallest, the pointy tip is at the top. All right, so let me go ahead and take you down so you can see what's going on. All right, so what you need to be aware of, you want to make sure that you get at least 2 inches away from the edge of your pot. So all I'm gonna do, and I won't push them down just yet, I want to make sure that I get it just right. And you want to make sure that you have about 3 to 4 inches away from one another. So I'm gonna go about 3 inches, just like that. All right, and I'm gonna try to squeeze one more. That should be about 3 inches. And just for fun, I'm gonna try this big juicy one. I'm gonna put it right. I'm gonna try to squeeze it. I know it's gonna be tight. I'm gonna squeeze it right in the center. So all I'm gonna do, push it down about 3 inches, just like that. And if I want, I may top off some more, put some more compost. And this is real loose. And then make sure you cover it up. And so what I will do, I will get some more compost and put over the top. Then I will go ahead and put some mulch around it as well, and then water it in, and then I should be good to go. All right, so you can do this. It's real simple. And don't forget to water it in. And this is for if you live in an apartment, you don't have a backyard, then you still can grow your garlic. But let's go to the backyard, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with this if you have a backyard. So let's go. All right, now we're in the backyard, and I'm gonna show you how you can use the garlic that has been planted in your pots. And I might have to do this as well. All right, so let's look down. All right, this is my watermelon patch. Just imagine if I have my watermelon starting to come up. What I can do is I can go ahead and take these pots, especially when the garlic is starting to come up, sprout up. I can place these down the line with my my watermelon plants, and so that smell will probably delay all the pests for jumping on my young watermelon plants, because this whole area is going to be filled with my watermelons. And the other issue is I'm just dropping my mulch down, so it's real thick, so I may not want to go ahead and plant these, move all the wood chips back that I'm putting down now. So this might be my option, go ahead and plant them in the pots so I can be ready for the spring. And so my my plants will be safe, and hopefully that will help deter all these pests. So I'm trying to use everything I can. The garlic is going to help, and that's how I'm trying to use this in my backyard as well. All right, so these are some of the tips that you can try. Like I said, if you don't have a backyard, if you live in an apartment, you have a patio, you can use that last option to grow your garlic. And it's always good to grow your own, grow at home. All right, so you know it saves costs, it tastes amazing. So I'm just getting so excited because I can't wait to have garlic all through my front yard, my backyard, everywhere around, even in some of these raised beds. All right, so this is Bear Brown. I want you to go ahead and grow some garlic. It's fall time now, so you still got time to get it in because we plant it in the fall. And I look forward to you. And whoa, I'm so excited. This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.